As a wedding photographer, I must say it is fun for me not till we get to the part of other photographs. I will say I hate my day, most especially when I get to work with wedding guests that are not understanding. It's like a nightmare for me. They don't want to listen to you, the photographer. Everybody's lousy. Everybody claiming to be like a VIP. Everybody knows the couple. Nobody wants to listen to you, the photographer, so that you get to organize very nice photographs. You know, for this particular wedding, this was somewhere in Benue State, and temperature was very high humidity that I did not even come with a hand towel or a handkerchief, and I was almost giving up here on this particular day. The MC was helping me to organize, talk to the people to organize themselves because at this point I was almost losing my voice as well. Talking to people as a photographer would see me cleaning my sweat because I had nothing to use. As a photographer, what's your experience like when it gets to this point on the wedding day when you're covering a wedding? I would like to know your thoughts. I would like to get your share of what you normally experience on these particular days and at this particular moments of your couple's wedding. I want to know in the comment section, guys. Thank God everything went fine and we ended up with what we could achieve from here.